once again, we are here. We are going to another park here in Ipoh. And since last 2 weeks ago, I showed to you or I shared to you one park here, the Taman DR, the big park here in the center or in the heart of Ipoh. And now we will go to another park, which is have one Eco 1 and one Eco 2. So last time we visited already the Eco 1, so we will go to Eco 2 now. It's just I think it's a long time ago, a year ago when we visited that place, and now we will go back to the other park, the Eco Park 2, somewhere in Sri Botani. It's a farther place from my area, so we will go there and we'll share to you one nice park to go for exercise as well, especially when you want to go there for morning walk or evening walk, and even to go there to do some relaxation, as this is a nice park with so many greeneries surrounded by so many trees, green trees. Yes. And there's a lake as well. Always a lake here, huh? When you go to a park, there is always a lake with so many fish inside, so many fishes. So see, I can show to you later the place, the area that we will walk, that we will do the brisk walking again, together of course with my husband. My husband, my driver. Daddy, look here, say hi. Always don't know how to talk. That's why the viewers always telling don't know how to talk. Okay, see you later, huh? Be with me. Bye. Here you can see have a temple here. This one very nice temple. Last time I covered this already. I have video here. Once or twice I went here already. Here are lots of temple in this area. We go to eat breakfast first before we go to the park because we are hungry already. Daddy, I have always the toothpick in the mouth. Going inside the Eco Park 2. This is the main gate. Yeah. Eco Park 2. We'll go inside here. This is the residential area here in Eco Park. Yeah. This is the newly opened Eco Park 2, which consists of a waterfront plaza for multi-sport activities, outdoor gym, jogging and cycling track, bamboo garden, and an awesome bridge view, which this is a hallmark of Bandar Sri Botani, Ipoh, where they are bringing eco-nature lifestyle into a new level within the township. So many green color trees. We are surrounded by trees. Eco Park 1 is more popular than this Eco Park 2. There we went already in Eco Park 1 and it's very nice. Very nice park. Here you can see there's a lake also. There. You can see water already. Some people say this park is better park than Eco Park 1 because of its quietness and serenity. There are very little visitors all morning, so it is perfect for meditation and viewing untouched nature. Have a nice place here to sit for you to get some photos and videos here. Just like me. Get the opportunity to sit down and get photos. Do the brisk walking. Everyday brisk walking is very nice to our health, especially to our body. Even we are that busy, we must find time to have at least 30 minutes to 1 hour brisk walking every day. It's good for your health and for my health as well. And if your view is like this, so nice, you're walking in the side of a nice lake, suitable to breathe some fresh air. My husband is over there walking so fast, so far already. You can see. Here, there's a lake only, nothing so much to see, but with the greenery is with the trees surrounding the lake. And as you walk in the path, you can breathe some fresh air. Just like the one I'm doing. Walking. You see the path? The path that I'm walking. See the lake. There outside there is the residential area. So very comfy or comfortable for the people that is staying here, for the community that is staying nearby. They come here anytime they want to come to do some exercise here and some relaxation. Here. My husband sit down there already. Place here to stop and get some nice videos and photos here in the lake. Just like an iron bridge. This is the serenity of this lake, surrounded by the trees. Very nice, the chirping of the birds in the trees, and the weather is very nice, not that hot, even though it's nearly 10 o'clock already. When we come out, it's very big, the sun, but now it's nice. do some brisk walking like this, the weather. So lovely to see that you are surrounded by many trees, so greenish in color. I'm so happy when I have the chance to come in this kind of park that you can walk with so many trees and you can relax. Then your view in front of you is lake like this. Wow, so nice to breathe, very fresh the air, you know. So precious this kind of moment. Because not all have the opportunity to go out and visit like this kind of place. For me, it's precious already. I'm a simple person with a simple thing that wants, and this is one of my simple things that I wanted to do always. Just like you are so near in the nature, that you're always blessed with all the creations of God to visit and, how do you call it, experience the creation of God. Just like you are so near always to God as you love His creation. And thank you for this, oh Lord, for all these wonderful things that you have created for the people, for us, for the living people, for the living. Yes, so nice. Nice. This is my outfit and my old titty today. I'm sweating already, but it's okay. We come here to sweat out so that we can burn the fats. Yes, yes.